All it takes is $1 to grow a tree. EvanEraTV.com. What's good? Welcome back to How to Magic. Oh, magic! I am your host, Evan Era. Today I'm showing you 5 magic tree tricks revealed.
I speak for the trees.
We've gotten a lot of messages from you guys like this one asking where we're at with the Team Trees movement. Well, today we joined the movement. We're kind of late to the game, but as of today, the $20 million goal has not been hit yet. So we're hoping to push it towards the $20 million goal, but we need your help. So go to teamtrees.org and donate yourself, or you can go to EvanEraTV.com and use code TREES at checkout, and we will donate 10% of your order total to Team Trees. So if you spend $100 on the shop, we will donate $10 of your order to Team Trees, effectively planting 10 trees in your name. And then at the end of the year, I'm going to match everyone's donation. So if we raise $1,000 through EvanEraTV.com, I will match that $1,000 with $1,000 of my money, and we'll donate $2,000. So we've already donated to the movement, but we want to maximize our impact by asking for your help. Trees clean the air we breathe and add beauty to our planet. With your help, this campaign will plant 20 million trees around the world. Some really big name people have already gotten behind the campaign, like Elon Musk, who donated $1 million. Also, I know the Arbor Day Foundation and YouTube are both behind this campaign now, so you can take confidence in knowing that the money is going to the right people and it's legit. If you don't have any money to order anything or donate, just simply share this video on your social media to help spread the word, if you like Earth, that is. Okay, just like teamtrees.org, all it takes is $1 to do this trick. You're gonna take the dollar, check it out, you can see on both sides. Watch, we just roll it up like this. Now the other thing we need is some dirt. If you're gonna grow a tree, you definitely need some dirt. So check this out. We're gonna take the rolled up bill and magically grow a tree. Look, it's a little tree. It just grew out of the dirt. Isn't that cool? Evergreen. It'll be there forever. Okay, here's how we set up the magic dollar bill to the tree trick. First things first, you're going to need a magic flower wand. We have these available on our shop, EvanEraTV.com. You're gonna take a flower wand and remove the flower part from the wand. You also won't need the little cup. You can set that aside as well. So we're gonna take the flower wand and we're going to cut it to the length of the dollar bill. So you wanna use the bill to kind of measure how long you want the wand to be, and you want to cut the wand just a little bit shorter than the bill. So we're using a Dremel tool to do this, and we're just going to cut it about right there. Now that we have the wand cut, our next step is to tape or glue the bill around it so it looks like just a rolled up dollar bill. Run a little bit of glue. This is rubber cement so that you can peel it off and spend the money, and then we just let that dry a little bit, and then you stick it in place. So once you have it glued in place, you've got your little bill tube completed. The next thing that you'll need are some trees. These are little miniature model trees, like for model making. These things look super realistic. I'm not even sure what they're made of. So you take your little evergreen tree and you just load it inside, and thanks to the design of it, the branches just fold in and the whole thing will load right inside just like this. Now you're set up and ready to go. You want to hide this little end inside your hand, and then you can take your rolled up dollar bill and make a tree appear. You're just going to tuck the little base right there in between your fingers, adding a little bit of dirt to your hand, like a little pile of dirt to hide the base, and then when you pull the dollar bill up, it looks like the tree just magically appears. You want to make sure you get your angle on it right as well. Stay tuned for the end of the video. I'm giving away some magic appearing flower wands and some model trees so that you can do this trick at home. Okay, check this out. We have a little cardboard tree here, and I have some water. Watch what happens when we water the tree. Pour that in. Check this out. Watch. And just like that, the tree magically grows. Whoa, look at that. Isn't that amazing? This is called the blooming tree. Super easy. All you have to do is set this up. So you just assemble the little tree. You just want to go through and spread out the tree's little branches like this and position it in the base just like this. Now you have a little packet of magic liquid here. You're just going to pour that into the base, and it will begin to absorb up into the cardboard of the tree, which will cause the reaction and make it grow. And then once it reaches the ends, that is when it starts to look like it sprouts leaves. It begins to grow within about an hour or two, but it does take about 6 to 8 hours to complete. Look at that. That is super cool. And it looks like the tree is just magically growing. Okay, so I've got a leaf from the tree right here. I'm just gonna pluck it off the tree like that. I'm gonna drop it on the ground. Now wait, before you guys get mad that I'm like plucking leaves off the tree and hurting the tree, check this out, watch. And just like that, the leaf magically floats back up to the tree. Now look, the leaf is magically reattached. No glue or anything, that is actually on the tree. So watch the leaf on the ground. This is the secret to making it float right up to the tree. It's a piece of invisible thread attached right there with a piece of tape. You might have seen it in the performance if you look closely. You can also use magician's wax if you want to hide the tape. So the invisible thread runs off the piece of tape. It's connected to my hand, and it allows us to create the illusion of the leaf just floating in midair just like that, or floating up to the tree branch. Now the second part of this is pretty simple. Once the leaf gets back up to the tree here, you just want to line it up with a leaf that looks similar. So most leaves that you'll pick off a tree will kind of look pretty similar in design. You just want to find one that looks pretty close, and then you're just going to palm off this leaf that is the one that's loose that you plucked off the tree for real. You're going to palm this one off as you expose the one behind it. So you can take this one, kind of palm it off as you show the one that's actually attached to the tree, and they can pull on this, it really is attached. So we're here in my backyard and I have a Kentucky banana tree. So check this out. We're going to pluck a banana off the tree. Watch. Take the banana, 1, 2, 3, and it magically turns into a piece of rope. Perfect for a tire swing. The secret to this one is super simple. This is not a piece of rope, it's actually a stretchy banana. So let me show you how this thing works. You can condense it back into its original shape and then roll it between your hands. And as you can see at a glance, it looks like a real banana. So then all you have to do is grab here and stretch, and it will stretch all the way out until it looks like a thin piece of rope. And it's like a Stretch Armstrong. This thing is super stretchy. It's also just really fun to squish it. It's kind of like a squishy toy, like stress reliever thing. And I'm sure there's a lot of other tricks you could do with this. Hey, you want a banana? Stay tuned for the end of the video. I'm giving away a stretchy banana to one lucky comment. So we're out here in the rain because we're dedicated YouTubers, and I have a trick to show you. Follow me to the tree line. They say money doesn't grow on trees. It actually doesn't. So please go to EvanEraTV.com, order some merch. We have bills to pay. Eric needs to pay rent next month. But no, really, check this out. They say money doesn't grow on trees, but if you reach up into this tree, look, you can actually pull some money right out of the tree, just like that. Thank you. You're just gonna go up to the leaf of a tree or a bush, and then you're just gonna reach up inside it and seemingly pull a bill from inside the tree, make it look like it just grows out of the plant. Super easy to do. All you do is take a dollar bill and roll it up before the trick starts. So you're gonna roll it up just like this, and then you're going to hold it in a palm position, kind of like a modified finger palm grip, just like this, so that it's hidden behind your hand like that. Kind of pinch with the middle finger, and then you're gonna use your thumb like this to contact right between the roll of the bill and the start of it right there. Use that thumb to kind of hold the bill as you hold this up. The thumb kind of lets it unroll like that. It's a really easy way to make it look like a dollar bill just appears out of nowhere. Try that at home and fool your friends and family. Okay, new product announcement. We have a new trick available at EvanEraTV.com, an amazing coin trick. So check this out. You take a coin from your spectator, you can borrow the coin, and then you can have them sign it. So I'm gonna go live on TikTok right now and ask you guys what I should sign on the coin. Okay, somebody said a star. I'm signing a star on the coin. Draw a little star just like this. One side, and then on the other side, let's do a L-A-L. Like that. Get the LAL on one side, and on the other side we have the star. So once they've signed the coin, check it out. You're gonna take it over here and you're just gonna rub it. All you have to do is squeeze, and it looks like the coin just magically disappears just like that. Now that's the first part of the trick. The second part of the trick is the most amazing part. You reach in your pocket and you pull out this. It's a little capsule. You hand it to them and you tell them to unwrap the rubber bands from it. So they take it, take the first rubber band off, remove the second rubber band. Oh, it's another little capsule inside. So they remove the rubber bands from that and they open it up. And inside, sealed in a little plastic bag, rubber banded up, is their signed coin. The exact same coin. That is the very same coin that we signed at the beginning with the star. They can take the rubber band off the bag, dump out the coin. It is indeed the very coin that they signed at the beginning. This trick is available now at EvanEraTV.com. Stay tuned for an explanation of how it's done coming up next. Okay, here is how to do the impossible coin to the capsule trick, also known as the Jiffy coin tray. We do have these available now at EvanEraTV.com. There was a lot of demand the last time we showed this in a video, so I've made it available to you now. We do have a super limited quantity of these, so if you want one, go grab it now. The kit comes with the bigger capsule for the outside, the smaller one inside of that, a little bag, and all the rubber bands you need, and the secret apparatus that allows you to load the coin into the capsule. Setting this up is super easy. All you do is take the little bag and slide it over the loader, and you're gonna take a rubber band and put it right around the bag like this. And now you're gonna put it inside the smaller capsule just like this, and rubber band up the smaller capsule with the smaller set of rubber bands. Same thing on the bigger capsule for the outside, and you can see it has little grooves already cut in the sides that the rubber bands will sit down in just like that. And now that you have these banded up, you slip this down in your pocket, and you can see this little clip is gonna fit right over the edge of your pocket. And now you're gonna drop the coin right down inside here after you vanish it. You can do any kind of coin vanish you want here. Do like a false transfer to the other hand, and then take the coin and ditch it right here. Now the beauty of this is you can do it with a signed borrowed coin. So you can have them sign the coin, it just slides right down there into it, and as this pulls out of there, it's already done, completely self-working. Now when you take this out of your pocket and hand it to them, don't tell them what's inside yet. Just let them take it apart. Say, here, just take the rubber bands off and take that apart. And it's kind of a funny moment when they open this and it's another little one inside. And then they unband this, and then they find this little bag that's rubber banded at the top that they have to undo, and inside is their signed coin. Such an absolutely amazing trick. And be sure to use code TREES at checkout to donate 10% of your order to teamtrees.org. In addition to donating to Team Trees, we will also be physically planting some trees here on my property in Kentucky. So not only will we be putting our wallets to work, we'll also be putting our hands and our backs to work to actually physically plant some trees here. So watch more videos so we can make more money, plant more trees, because we love trees. All right guys, it is giveaway time. I'm giving away all the magic props from this video. All you have to do to win, leave a comment in the comment section down below and give the video a thumbs up. And it's time to announce the giveaway winners from our last How To Magic video. The winners are magically appearing on the screen right here. Congratulations to our winners. Send your full mailing address to this email address on the screen to claim your prize. Thank you to everyone who entered that giveaway, and good luck to everyone entering this giveaway. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button and leave a comment in the comment section down below. Keyword for this week's giveaway is trees. Leave it in the comments. Until next time, remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Love you guys.